to tell you really quickly about the 2021 January Calamel subscription box. What we're going to be doing this month is a explosion box, and in your kit, if you choose to have the kit option, you will get everything that you need to make the box. Now, the papers that I've chosen to use for this kit are the Mintay Papers Better Times collection, because they're absolutely gorgeous, nice bright colours, and just what we need after the year that we've just had. In your kit, you'll get a full pack of the 12 by 12 collection papers. You will get a sheet of the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. These are really thick as well, they're not just ordinary cardstock, they're good thick cardboard, and a pack of the 6 by 6 papers. And of course also you're going to be getting your Calamel charm, which has got this absolutely gorgeous little AB butterfly on there, lots of sort of plasticky leaves, opaque and clear, and these beautiful beads that go so perfectly with the papers. So let's have a look at the box. You've got two choices in this. Well, you can either buy the subscription as a one-off. You can sign up for a 3-month 3-box subscription, which is more cost effective certainly, or you can just buy the tutorial when that comes out. So let me just show you the book now. When you open it up, that opens up, and what we've got here is a album of 4 pages. In each of the 2 front ones, I'm going to show you how to make these rosettes, but we've got space to put in just 6 by 4 inch photos there. And then this back page, that opens up like that, so we've got space for more photos there, just with a little sort of standard cut apart closure. And then the very back, we've got a pocket with a little sort of wallet folder in there, which we can open up, and you can put a photo in there. You could even add your own little waterfall to that as well, if that was what you wanted to do. And then looking back this way, exactly the same. You've got your page that opens up there, and then once again you've got your wallet. So if you want to have a look at the kits, I believe there are still a couple available. These are at calsummers.co.uk or the scraplab.co.uk. You can buy them, as I said, as a one-off box, or you can pay a little less and subscribe to 3 of the subscription kits, which are coming out bi-monthly. So thank you very much for joining me, and any questions, just drop me a line. Bye.